Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is here to prove that A series phones can still steal the spotlight in the crowded mid-range segment. With premium design touches, robust performance, and a suite of AI-driven features, this new model aims to shine among its peers. Below, we'll explore why the A36 5G deserves its star status in today's competitive smartphone landscape. Being part of Samsung's well-established A series means the A36 5G starts with strong DNA. Its exterior immediately elevates expectations. A slim, lightweight body that measures just 6.3 inches tall, 2.8 inches wide, and 0.3 inches thick, and weighs roughly 6 ounces. The back panel is protected by Gorilla Glass 7, which not only resists scratches and minor impacts, but also produces an eye-catching reflective effect as light shifts across the surface. Around front, a nearly bezel-free 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display ensures bright, vivid colors and sharp contrast, whether you're streaming videos or browsing social media at midday. Beyond aesthetics, the A36 5G frame is surprisingly durable. Samsung has reinforced key stress points to reduce flex when gripping the phone, making it feel solid without adding bulk. Its slightly curved edges make long scrolling sessions more comfortable, while still allowing one-handed use for those with average-sized palms. For anyone who values both style and substance, the A36 5G strikes a compelling balance. Under the hood, Samsung has entrusted the A36 5G to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset. Fabricated on a modern 4nm process, this combination delivers impressive speed for everyday tasks. App launches, multitasking, and web browsing feel snappy and responsive. The improved energy efficiency also helps maintain cool temperatures even under extended use, thanks to a redesigned vapor chamber cooling system that cuts heat by up to 15% compared to its predecessor. Whether you're cycling through social feeds, watching HD videos, or playing graphically demanding games, the A36 5G handles it all with minimal lag. Complementing this powerful brain is a generous 5000 mAh battery, enough to power through a busy day of calls, messaging, and streaming. When you do need a quick recharge, the 45W fast charging support, similar to technology found in higher-end flagship models, gets you back to 50% battery in roughly 30 minutes, for a mid-range phone in the $300-$350 range. These specifications ensure you spend more time using the device and less time tethered to a charger. Samsung understands that mid-range buyers expect longevity, not just flash. To that end, the A36 5G comes with Samsung Knox Vault, coupled with an EAL5 certification for heightened data protection. Whether you store work documents, personal photos, or sensitive files, Knox Vault encrypts everything in a secure environment that's isolated from the main operating system. This makes it exceedingly difficult for malware or unauthorized apps to access your private data. On the software front, Samsung promises 6 major Android updates and 6 years of security patches for the A36 5G, far outpacing many rivals in this category. In practice, that means if you buy this phone today, you can count on the latest Android features and robust security fixes well into the next half-decade. For budget-conscious buyers, this level of long-term support greatly extends the usable life of the device, ensuring it remains up to date with new features and protections. Beyond its glass and metal construction, the A36 5G earns a grade design status with subtle yet impactful details. The redesigned camera island on the back presents a sleek, unified look rather than the blocky protrusions seen on many competitors. 3 camera lenses, wide, ultrawide, and macro, sit flush with the panel when not in use, creating a slim, minimalist profile. Color options include a distinctive hologram finish that shifts between blues, purples, and silvers depending on the viewing angle. This dynamic paint job, paired with a frosted matte texture, helps reduce visible fingerprints and effortlessly complements both casual and business wardrobes. On the front, the Super AMOLED screen benefits from a narrow bezel all around. And the front-facing hole punch camera is small enough to be unobtrusive. With a peak brightness of 800 nits, outdoor visibility remains excellent on sunny days. Whether you're checking directions or taking a quick selfie, this display never feels compromised. Samsung has packed the A36 5G with a suite of awesome intelligence features that take advantage of machine learning. For photography enthusiasts, My Filter analyzes each shot, lighting, colors, and subjects to recommend an ideal color filter for a more personalized, polished result. If unwanted objects or passers-by sneak into your frame, the built-in object erase tool lets you remove them with a few taps. No third-party apps required. Another standout is Circle to Search. By drawing a circle around any object or snippet of text within an image, you can instantly initiate a Google search related to that content. The convenience of this feature is hard to overstate. Scan a menu, identify a landmark, or even translate foreign words by circling them. No need to switch apps or reframe your shots. Even night photography benefits from smarter processing. Both front and rear cameras employ advanced HDR and noise reduction algorithms that brighten low-light scenes without muddying details. Whether you're snapping a dimly lit street as part of a nighttime vlog or taking a quick selfie in a dim bar, the A36 5G consistently captures sharp, vibrant images. At roughly $300, the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G offers flagship inspired design, top-tier mid-range performance, durable build quality, and forward-looking AI features, all wrapped in a package that feels decidedly more expensive than its price tag suggests. Between Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chip, 5000 mAh battery, with 45W fast charging, Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and 6 years of software updates, this phone excels on nearly every front. If you're in the market for a mid-tier smartphone that punches above its weight, the Galaxy A36 5G is a standout list contender.